Hi, good evening, good night, wherever you all are logging in. My name is Shireen Lalu, and welcome, and thank you for taking this time out to be on this call this evening. So I'm all the way from Trinidad and Tobago, and first of all, let me just make a disclaimer that I am in no way responsible for the monies that you all invested into this crypto platform. Secondly, you only risk what you're willing to lose, okay? And you do your due diligence before you come on to this platform. All right. So what is this platform that I'm talking about? All right. So this platform is called Shao Bank. Okay. So Shao Bank is this. Looking into the future and financial independence. So Shao Bank employs more than 1,000 qualified employees to provide the highest level of customer service. Okay, so our bank founder is Mr. Yang Shao. The director is Mr. Chinley, and we have deputy director, chief counsel, and later on you'll see photos of these persons that are responsible for Shao Bank. Okay, so you can find us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can find us there. So Shao Bank is a universal technology-driven bank focused on serving customers around the world. So what is Shao Bank? It is a neobank. Simply put, it is a bank that exists only digitally on a website. There is no physical location of the bank, no branches. So therefore, they use technology and we have no infrastructure cost. Okay, so which makes it a digital or what we call digital or neobank. So Shao Bank was formed in August 2022. Okay. 2022 is when we formed. Our vision is to be a bank of high reputation and have a world-class customer service. Our mission is to provide exceptional value to our partners and customers, and we value excellence, professionalism, and efficiency development of new technology. So this bank, Shao Bank, was purposefully created to operate in any economic environment. They are also a member of the Association of Banks in Hong Kong and a member of the Compulsory Deposit Insurance System. So we're going to take a little look at their legal framework. So all of this can be found on their website. It is accessible to anyone and everyone. Okay, so we're going to look at their legal framework. So on their website, as you can see, that they are registered in Hong Kong. This is certificate of in Hong Kong. They're also in United Kingdom, and we have their legal entity identifier number. Right. We also have here the certificates as well. So right. So we have the certificate of incorporation. We also have the certificate of insurance as well. So they are with Go Insurance, and you can see here that they have the certificate of incorporation of a private limited company. They have the company number, and all of this can be seen and found on their websites. Okay. So Shao Bank is part of the Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation ecosystem with a history dating back to 2006 and financial partners since 1988. So Shao Bank is part of this Global Future Enterprise Group, and we're going to take a little look at the other members of the group. So the group, they have their financial partners. This is an investment company, Universal Centuries and in advertising agency, Go Insurance, an insurance company, and Beijing Global Future Technology and Culture as a technology development group. Okay. So the bonds, the sale of bonds, which is bank offers to the public, to anyone, they go towards the financing of these companies, right? So we're gonna look on their roadmap. So on their website again, all of this can be found on their website. So take a little look at the roadmap. So in August 2022, as you can see, they was formed in August 2022. All right, and we have there, they have a roadmap straight down to 2031. All right, so we are hoping that they come through with all of what they plan to achieve in the next coming years, right? So far we are almost the close of 2023, and bank is going thus far strong and steady, right? So we are hoping that they meet their target and they come through till what they say here in July 2031, right? So this is their roadmap, and all can be found on their website. Okay, so this is what they are saying. All right, so now we're going to look at, okay, so right, so all of this is on the website with their roadmap. We're also going to take out a short look at their financial report that was published for 2022. 2023 is not yet completed, so when it's completed, we will have their 2023 financial statements, right? So underneath banking and their website, we have here their financial statement, which is available for the public to view. All right, so we're going to look at it here. So the financial report for 2022, so it was formed in August 2022. The financial report would have been for the last quarter of 2022. And as you can see here, and take out the screen, go down, right? So the funds that they have received and how they have partners in each of the company, Go Insurance, Financial Partners, and these other companies that they are affiliated with, right? So you can see here the products that they offer. All right, consumer banking, corporate wealth management, lending, corporate bonds, business network. So we have here this Mr. here, as you can see here, he's the director, Mr. Chinley. All right. Okay, so they also have, at that point, they had plans for the coming years, as you can see here, right? And the aspirations for this year is what they had said, right? And so far they have accomplished it as well, right? So when we look at the key positions of the personnel responsible for the operations of Shao Bank. So the bank founder is Mr. Yang Shao. Ms. Rong Tang, she's the chief bond expert. Mr. Kai Tang, he's the chief legal counsel. Chen Li, as you can see, is the managing director, and Xu Yingli is the deputy director. Right? So you also have here the overview of the bank, environmental, social, and governance practices. As you can see here, educational, skill, healthcare, rural development, environment, and protection, right? So we also have their reports here, right? And what they had achieved in 2022, it was listed as one of the top 20 most promising banks in China now, okay? And it was also granted the SFC license allowing them to trade in securities, all right? So this was what they had published in 2022, their financial report. So in the coming months, you will see the financial report for 2023 and you'll see where they have achieved, right? So, all right, so all of this can be found on their website. Okay, all right, so what does this bank offer? We offer bonds, deposits, loans, insurance. There's a token system, an advantageous referral program, and there's also the marketplace with cash prices. All right, so bonds. So we want to look at bonds, right? So, right. So we have bonds here. So, right. So we have four bonds series that are in circulation at this point. So the first one here is the AA 3391. So this one yields a bond of 4.45% yield per day. Okay, and this bond, as you can see here, is the minimum to purchase. This is 10 bonds, right? So this one is a 80,000 HKD and it's maturing in 3 years. 3 years time is the maturity for this bond, right? So with the bonds that we purchase, we get every week, every 7 days, we get a dividend payout. We can also withdraw at any given point in time. We don't need to wait for the 3-year maturity to opt to withdraw. Okay, so all right, so you can see here the lifetime yield of it, and there's also the interest rate and income. Right, so we also have the BB 1720. So this is the minimum to come in is 400 HKD, which is around 52 USDT, and the yield per day is 0.4% per day, right? And it's maturing in 3 years' time. So this again, we purchase on these bonds, we buy on this series, and we can cash out at any given time. Withdrawals can be made at any point in time, right? Okay, so you don't need to wait for the 3-year maturity to climax. You can withdraw at any given time. Okay, we also have these two bonds, the last two, which is the CC 2379 and the DD 3267, right? So these bonds is maturing in 1 year time. So first one is yielding 0.55% per day, and the number of bonds to come in is 10 bonds is the minimum, which is 8,000 HKD, right? And you can see here, after you invest 8,000 HKD, the income over 1 year is 15,840 HKD. All right, so this matured in 1 year time, and this bond series will go out by the 7th of December. We have extended the time to purchase on these bonds, right? This one, which is CC 2379 and the DD 3267. So this one here is maturing in 1 year time. As you can see here, the minimum is 40,000 HKD to come in, and it's 0.65% per day. As you can see here, the calculator on the process side, you invest 40,000 HKD in 1 year time, and you will be getting 93,600 HKD. And again, you can cash out at any given point in time. You can make your withdrawal at any point in time, right? You don't need to wait for the bond to mature. You can withdraw at any point in time. So you buy bonds and you receive weekly payments. So the first two, you would have received weekly payments for 3 years, and the last two bonds, which are in series, circulating, and it will be coming to an end on the 12th of December. All right, so your minimum withdrawal is 7 USDT. That's the cryptocurrency, the minimum. There are also different cryptocurrency that we also do withdrawals. The bank, Shao Bank does, right? You can also transfer from one account to another account, and it goes instantly, and there is no commission charge. All right. So this is no commission charge, and it goes straight to your account. Okay, so how do you get started in terms of making a bond purchase, right? First of all, you need to open a digital banking account on Shao Bank website. In order to open an account, you need a referral link. So that means someone would have invited you, someone would have tell you about Shao Bank, what they offer. You are interested. The person will send their referral link. You sign up with that link, and instantly, in every sign up is free. You don't need to make any payment to sign up. Also, the bank gives you 999 tokens instantly to your account. That's tokens. Also, when you come into the platform, you can, and you make a purchase of the bond, you get your nominal certificate, you get your agreement, and every week you will receive your weekly payment, whether it's 0.45%, whether it's 0.65%, 0.55, or 0.4% per day, per week, you would also receive that for 7 years, right? And that income goes straight to your Shao Bank card balance. So every person will receive a digital card, just like a credit card. There is the credit card number, there's your name, there's also the expiry date, there's also your CVC code. You can also go into your account and make it more secure by setting up the two-factor authenticator in the card, right? So every week this money goes straight to your account. You can do your withdrawal. We withdraw in different cryptocurrencies, as I said earlier. All right, different cryptocurrencies we withdraw, right? Okay, so let me just get this up. Right, so different cryptocurrency we withdraw, and you can also, someone wants to come into the platform, they can also come in as well. And what happens is that you can also transfer from your account to the other person account on the platform, right? And okay, right. So we also have different currency. Let's just different cryptocurrency that we do withdrawals in. All right. Okay. So the bonds are fixed. So whether or not the bonds, the last bond, whether or not they remain in circulation or not, the rate does not change, right? So they can stop selling the bonds and you will still receive your weekly payment up to the date that the bond matures, right? And okay, so these are the bonds here, and your profit accrues every 7 days and you will receive it, right? Okay, so we also offer deposits, right? Just like a bank offer fixed deposits, we also have deposits as well, right? So you can deposit from anywhere from terms of 1 year to 10 years. You can make your deposits from there as well. As you can see here, you can find out more about the deposits, and we have deposits, right? So the yield is 11.5%. Okay, so you can see here, all of this can be found on the bank website. Right? So deposits is a conservative way for you to preserve and increase your capital. You can make a deposit and withdraw your profit in your digital banking. Your profits are credited to your card on a monthly basis, and you can deposit from as little as HK 800. So the bank deals in the Hong Kong dollars, and it's also the equivalent USDT value as well there. And you as the investor, you are free to choose the deposit amount and the term, meaning whether it's 1 year, 2 years, or up to 10 years. The interest rate remains the same. All right, and the bank also participates in the deposit insurance underneath Go Insurance, right? So what they are saying is that your deposits are secured. Okay, right. So what we offer as well, we offer loans. Just as any bank, they offer loans. The loans are in three forms: your mortgage loan, your consumer loan, and your business loan, right? So in order to participate or to get a loan, you must meet the bank requirements. So first of all, you must have a credit rating, and this is measured in terms of the amount of referrals or the amount of persons that comes onto the platform that you invite, and they are active customers, meaning they are active bondholder of Shao Bank, right? They are also based on your credit history, and that is it, and also your customer income as well. So your mortgage loan, the term of the loan of all these loans, mortgage, consumer, and the business loan is 1 year. The mortgage loan is, the interest rate is 9%, the consumer loan is 16.5%, and your business loan interest rate is 14.5. So you can decide to take out a mortgage loan or a consumer loan, meaning you want to take a trip with your family, or if you're in the business and you want to increase your assets or you want to purchase something for your business, you can do so, right? And also, the form is available on your digital banking. You fill out your form, fill out your application, and within 24 hours time, the bank will get back to you. Okay? They also offer insurance with Go Insurance. So we have the insurance policy. All right, the health and life insurance, the business insurance, and the account insurance. So on Go Insurance website, which is also one of the partners of Shao Bank, they are insured for up to 80 million HK, right? So you want to take part or purchasing in insurance. So also we have the affiliate program. So this is you be as an active customer, you just don't necessarily stay active and receive your dividends every week, but also you can decide to build your career in Shao Bank. As with any affiliates program, and this is a referral program, so you can choose this to build your network in terms of network marketing, right? So you build your career and you receive tokens, right? So as I said earlier, tokens, first of all, in order to receive tokens, you must sign up and instantly you will receive 999 tokens in your account. Also, when you build your career, you will receive tokens, and you can use that tokens to either increase or elevate yourself in the network marketing, or you can use that tokens and receive cashback in your account on the marketplace, purchase cases and receive cashback. So we'll talk a little bit about the marketplace in a little while, right? So you find that Shao Bank is working for you and you just don't want to sit there and desk there. So you invite customers and they become active customers, meaning that they become a bond holder, they purchase on the bond, and you will also be rewarded. Okay, right? So you will be rewarded. So you will be rewarded from there is a 10-layer or 10-level system, reward system that Shao Bank has for the to everyone available, right? So, and instantly you will receive cash in your account and also token balance, right? So, deposits in your account. So your Shao Bank card is automatically credited with 20% of your partner bond purchase over 10 level. So the first level is 7%, and this is open to all, right? So you will also receive tokens and you'll also receive cash back in your account, right? So that means if a person purchase, if I refer X to Shao Bank and X decides to sign up and purchase on the bond, I will receive 20% of whatever X is purchasing. I will also receive 7% of that in terms of the token value into my account, right? And it goes on further, and X refers Y to the platform, and I will receive 3% from what Y is purchasing. So X will receive 7% and I would receive 3%. Okay, so from level 2 to level 10, this is where you use your token to elevate yourself on the networking aspect of the business. All right, so as you can see here, level 1, which is 7%, is open to all. Level 2, you see here that you have 700. You need 700 tokens in your account to go up to level 2 to get the 3%. And it goes all the way down to level 10, which is 0.5%, which means you need 24,000 token, right? So we talk about a little how you can receive token in your account, right? So you share your referral link, as I said, and you can watch your business grow as well, right? And all of this, you can have this accessible on your digital banking and you can track this as well, right? The growth as well. So this is where we talk about your tokens. Your tokens can be spent profitably on the marketplace. So there's a T balance, meaning token balance. It's a bonus account in your digital banking. It is replenished when your partner purchase bond, meaning whoever you refer to Shao Bank, they sign up with your referral link. Whatever they purchase, you would also benefit from them as well. From Shao Bank, Shao Bank also credit your account as well. So you can use your tokens, as I said, in 2 ways. You could open new levels in the loyalty program, and you can accumulate your tokens and receive cashback on your Shao Bank marketplace on your digital banking. So you accumulate your tokens and you can buy reward cases. So the reward cases goes from the common case, which is 1,000 token, all the way up to your immortal case, which is 1 million tokens, right? So instantly when you click on here, you can receive anywhere from 4 HK to 40 HK, which is being the common case. You will receive that instantly in your account. So you have tokens value up to 1,000. You can get between this amount, and you can accumulate your tokens, and you can also use it later on to purchase on these higher value cases, right? And as you can see here, and instantly you get that in your Shao Bank card, and you can withdraw that instantly, right? So one of the questions you may be asking, why should you choose Shao Bank? So first of all, Shao Bank is accessible to all citizens, all countries throughout the world, right? Anywhere that you have a laptop, you have internet access, you can access this bank from the comfort of your home, wherever you are. Also, they are very innovative in terms of they make your customer experience as seamless as possible. They have opportunities for the well-being of your customers. They also have a profitable investment and the credit side of it, meaning their loans as well, right? They are easily accessible in terms of their convenient ways to purchase on your bond. You don't need to go anywhere. You can stay right home wherever you are, and you can make your bond purchase through your digital banking. And it is also easy to earn a steady income, save for your retirement, and secure a decent future. Right, so just to recap, you have your deposit account, which is 11.5% per annum, and you can use that to save. Okay, you also buy in bonds and you receive weekly payments for up to 3 years or even up to 1 year. The interest rate is fixed in your bond purchase agreement, and it does not change anywhere along the lifetime of the bond, right? When you purchase on this bond, you'll also see in your digital banking, there is a countdown timer, meaning the date from which when it's going to expire as well, right? And you have that there to keep a track as well, right? You can also earn with minimal participation, build your business network, you receive bonus tokens, and you can receive cash up to 20% of whatever your partner purchased, right? Also, with the token system, every month, so we also have the bank offers to active bondholders. There is also competition, there's also incentives to grow your tokens, right? So we have competition on our for all the active bondholders, as I said, right? And all of our correspondence does take place on our Telegram group. So when you sign up with whoever your referral link, they in turn will make you a part of our Shao Bank in our network, in our team, be part of our team on Telegram, right? So here is where we have all of our correspondence, all of our communication take place there, okay? All right. So for this month, meaning from 8th of November to the 30th of November, we have a competition, a contest, I should say, with bond sale turnover. So our reward system is where here they would reward you in terms of tokens, right? So what they are telling us is that you can get 1 million tokens if your bond sales turnover is more than 100,000 USD. Okay, so if you network and you can bring that amount more than 100,000 USD, you can receive 1 million tokens in your account. Okay, also, we have, if you can bring anywhere from more than 50,000, you can get 500 tokens in your account. You can also get 100 token in your account if you bring more than 10,000 USD sales turnover, all right? So you all can receive this amount and by building, and use that token here to either elevate in your career, or you can also use that to cash out on your marketplace purchase on the bond, on the cases that they have, right? And you receive it. So with Shao Bank also, deposits are insured, and you can be assured of the return of your deposit amount and payment of all interest. Also, in terms of lending, in terms of the loans, if you pay back earlier, they also have repayment incentives and reduced lending rates on individuals, terms for private individuals and business. Also, your digital banking, it supports the ability to analyze your financial transactions, and it makes it easy to track your profits and monitor the performance of your personal business. So everyone has this on there. As long as you become part of Shao Bank, you have this accessible to you and you can utilize it, right? So just remember that you want to take part, if you want to be part of Shao Bank, get back to the person that invited you on this call and they can get you on board. And remember, there's no sign up cost, and you get your free 999 tokens in your account, and you can utilize that. Also, we have daily and every day we have correspondence on our Telegram group, and you can be part of this family as well, right? So remember, just to recap, remember that you do your own due diligence. Remember, you only invest what you're willing to lose. Risk that. And with any crypto investment, you need to make that decision. Also, I am nowhere responsible for the monies you invested. I am just like other investors, an investor with Shao Bank, and I get back returns the weekly, and we also cash out as well, right? So this is what you want to be looking at, right? So thank you again for coming on the call. And you want to get on board, reach out to the person that invited you on the call, and they can get you on board, right? So thank you again, and do have a good evening.